Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat map not working. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if your Snapchat map does not work or does not show the geo position, then watch the video to the end and I will tell you how to solve this problem. So first of all we go to Snapchat and as you can see everything works for me. So now I will show you a few ways. The first thing we do is go to the App Store or Google Play and find Snapchat. Here we need to check if we have the latest version of Snapchat installed. If you have an update button, then click it and install the newest version. Perhaps the developers have already solved your problem. Next, what you need to check, go to the settings and find Snapchat. You can also do this on Android. Next, select the first line location. Here the application needs access at least when using Snapchat. Without this, the map will not work. You can choose always, then your friends will be able to see you on the map. The next way is to uninstall the app and download it again, and also try just restarting your phone, then go back to Snapchat and the map will work. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.